Imagine this. You're driving down an endless open road. Golden sunlight cutting through your windshield. Mountains on one side, silence on the other. And then suddenly, you realize something. You don't have to reach anywhere. No hotel bookings, no check-in deadlines, no packing, no unpacking, no stress, because everything you need is already with you. A soft bed, a warm kitchen, your own private space, wherever you go. And just like that, travel doesn't feel tiring anymore. It feels effortless. It feels like freedom. But here's the real question. Can one motorhome actually give you all of this, without becoming complicated, expensive, or overwhelming? Because let's be honest, a lot of RVs promise the dream, but fail in real life. So today, we're putting that to the test. This is the Thor Chateau 28Z, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly one thing. Is this the motorhome that can actually change the way you travel, or just another overhyped RV? Let's find out. At first glance, the Chateau 28Z looks exactly how a real motorhome should. Strong, confident, ready for the road. But this isn't just about looks. It's built on a Ford E-Series chassis, which means one thing: reliability. Because when you're out on long highways, miles away from everything, the last thing you want is doubt. And this feels solid. Stable steering, smooth control, and a driving experience that doesn't intimidate you, even if you're new to RV life. And then there's this, the massive front windshield. It's not just glass, it's your front row seat to the world. Every sunrise, every mountain, every empty road feels bigger, feels closer, feels personal. Now step outside for a second, because this is where things start getting interesting. Clean design, bold graphics. It doesn't scream for attention, but it still turns heads. And then, you press a button. The awning slides out. LED lights softly glow underneath. And suddenly, you're not just parked somewhere. You've created a moment. Imagine this. You're parked near a quiet lake. Sun slowly setting. Soft lights above you. Cool air around you. No noise. No rush. Just peace. That's not a feature. That's a lifestyle. And let's talk about something practical. Storage, because most people underestimate this until it becomes a problem. Here, multiple exterior compartments, meaning no more "where do I put this" moments. Everything has a place. And yes, there's even an option for an outside TV, which sounds simple, but think about it. Watching a movie or a live match under the open sky, that hits different. Now, step inside, and this is where everything changes, because the moment you walk in, it stops feeling like a vehicle and starts feeling like home. The slide out opens up the space beautifully, and suddenly, you're not adjusting to the motorhome. The motorhome adjusts to you. On one side, the dream dinette, where mornings begin with coffee, where conversations happen, where small moments turn into memories, and across from it, a comfortable sofa. This is where your day slows down, where you sit, relax, and sometimes do absolutely nothing. And somehow, that becomes the best part of your day. Now let's move to the kitchen, because this is where most RVs either win or fail. And surprisingly, this one actually delivers. You get a 3-burner gas cooktop, microwave, double-door refrigerator, and a deep stainless steel sink. Everything placed exactly where it should be. No awkward design, no frustration, just simple, functional, easy. And here's the difference. You're not managing cooking anymore. You're enjoying it. Imagine making your favorite meal, not in a crowded kitchen, but somewhere peaceful, mountains outside, fresh air coming in, and suddenly, cooking feels like an experience, not a task. Now let's talk about something even more important. Rest, because no matter how good the journey is, if you can't relax properly, it all falls apart. At the rear, you get a private queen-size bed, not cramped, not uncomfortable, real sleep, the kind where you wake up refreshed, ready to go again. There's storage all around, so nothing feels messy or out of place. And above the cab, an overhead bunk, perfect for kids or guests. Plus, the dinette converts into a bed too, which means this motorhome isn't just for solo travel. It's built for families, for shared journeys, for memories. And yes, even the bathroom matters, because small discomforts become big problems on the road. But here, it's simple, clean, functional, separate shower, toilet, sink, everything you need, nothing you don't. And honestly, that's exactly how it should be. Now let's talk performance, because all of this means nothing if it doesn't drive well. Under the hood, a powerful V8 engine, which translates to smooth highway driving, confident climbs, stable long-distance travel. You're not fighting the vehicle, you're flowing with it. And thanks to its size, it's not overwhelming, it's manageable, even for beginners. So when you step back and look at the full picture, what makes the Chateau 28Z special? It's not extreme luxury, it's not crazy features, it's balance, perfect balance, space, space and drivability, comfort and practicality, freedom and simplicity, and that's rare. But more importantly, it brings people together, because this isn't just about travel. It's about moments, shared meals, late-night talks, unexpected stops, and memories you don't plan, but never forget. Now I want to ask you something. If you had this motorhome right now, where would you go first? Mountains, beach, or just a long road with no destination? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one, because at the end of the day, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a different way of living. No rushing, no strict plans, no limits, just you, the road, and the freedom to choose your own direction. So, is the Thor Chateau 28Z worth it? If you want extreme luxury, this might not be it. But if you want real comfort, smart design, easy driving, and true freedom, then yes, this delivers. And maybe your next journey won't just be a trip, it might be the start of a completely new lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more, because your next adventure might be closer than you think.